In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on Fresha, following our step-by-step 2025 guide. Whether you're using the Fresha mobile app or the website, I've got you covered. First things first, open Fresha and log into your account. You can access Fresha on your mobile device, available on both iOS and Android, or simply visit their website at www.fresha.com. Once you're logged in, it's time to find the service or provider you're interested in booking. Use the search function to locate your desired service or professional. When you've found what you're looking for, go ahead and select the date, time, and any specific service options you need. Once everything looks good, tap the Book Now button to proceed, and remember that some providers offer the option to pay at the venue instead of online, so you can decide what works best for you. Next, it's important to review your booking to ensure you've got everything right. Start by confirming the service you selected, including the date, time, and provider details. You'll want to pay close attention to the pricing, applicable taxes, and any additional fees that might be listed. If you have any discount codes or vouchers, this is the perfect time to apply them to your booking to save a little extra cash. Now let's choose a payment method. Fresha offers several payment options to make this step as convenient as possible. You can pay using a credit or debit card, including Visa, MasterCard, or Amex. If you're using a mobile device, Apple Pay or Google Pay might be supported depending on your device and location. There's also the possibility to use PayPal if it's available in your region. If you prefer to handle payment in person, selecting Pay at Venue allows you to settle the bill with cash or card directly at the location. Once you've chosen your preferred method, you'll be prompted to enter your payment details. Double check everything to make sure it's all correct. After that, it's time to confirm and pay. Take a final look at your booking and payment details, ensuring that everything meets your expectations. When you're ready, tap Confirm Payment or Pay Now to complete your transaction. After the payment is processed, you will see a confirmation screen. Moreover, you'll receive an email receipt with all the relevant details of your appointment. This email serves as your confirmation of a successful booking, providing peace of mind that all is set for your upcoming appointment. And there you have it. You're all set to enjoy your service on Fresha, stress-free. Thank you for joining me today, and happy booking.